welcome back to KG Simple Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing these solar fence lights. I'm going to go ahead and just show you what these look like. I feel like it's a really neat concept and I haven't seen solar lights that look like this before. So these are made specifically for a fence, but you could use it in a number of different places. I feel like it would also look really nice on a pathway, for example. This is what they look like by themselves. You can see it has a solar panel on the top here, and then on the back it already comes, each of them already come with a rechargeable battery that is recharged up by this solar power here. And it does have these two little spaces here where it can connect to your fence. For each of the lights that this comes with, it does have little fasteners here. It has a screw and everything you need to screw it onto wherever you're going to be using it. So you put your two little screws in place and then you just hook this right on there so you can take it off if you need to. So I like that it's not like absolutely permanent. So basically this light right down here lights up, and if I cover this little solar panel, it just shows that it automatically lights up when it gets dark out and it turns off as it gets brighter out. And then this is a pack of 12, so there's a lot here. You could definitely use them more than just one pathway or one fence line. You can use it around all different parts of your yard if you wanted to. I'm gonna turn off the lights so you can see kind of what this looks like when it lights up. Okay, oh, that looks really nice. It kind of has like a wavy look to it, a little wavy pattern here, which I think is really pretty. I like that you can have it really close to the ground if you want somebody to see like a pathway, and you can also have it higher up and it's still going to project that light on there. Ooh, that's really nice. I love how easy these seem to install and how simple they look. I'm gonna go ahead and set these up where we're gonna be using them, and I will show you kind of the installation and what they look like at night. Okay, so you can see here I have these two screws that came with the kit. I know it's a little bit dark right now, but you can see them one right here and one right here. I measured them out based on the little screw holes that were in the back of this actual light itself. And so now I can just hang them on here. Okay, just right there. And it just slides right on and it fits perfectly. That was super easy. I'm gonna go ahead and hang up the other two right here and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I have them all hung up here and you can see how nice they look. I love this little rippling effect that they have down here on the fence. So you can see it from a little bit further away. Overall, I was really happy with how easy these were to install. I love that they are waterproof, that they last a long time, that they light up all night. I just love the added look that these gives to them. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the description down below so you can go check these ones out yourself. If you found this review useful, please give this video a thumbs up and follow us for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.